Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing this tool that we're going to be using. It's called Just Clips. It's for your 3/8, ½ inch, 1/4 inch impacts with their little ring right here. Let's see, we're going to try and take this off. Never done it before, but anyways, so we got this thing from Snap-on. The truck can order it for you guys. It's like $50, I think, or $35. I don't remember exactly, but we're gonna open it and let's get right to it. We're gonna go through it. It came already scratched. I wonder why. Comes with this little piece, and there it is. Okay, so it comes with instructions, so good, because I don't know how to use this. Okay, so I'm guessing I put the plate right here. It's okay. Number 1, remove the clip. Pretty simple. Oh, first we have to put it together. Alrighty then. Okay, tool assembly instructions. To mount tips, use local pins and 2 screws. See figure A. Okay, so I'm guessing these are our little tools we're going to be using. Here's 1 and here's 2. So should we use, what do we use? How do you know what we're going to use? Okay, so I'm guessing we have to find the size that this one is. So is this little gap, this one's too big for it. This one's thinner, so we're gonna use the thin ones. We're gonna open this way, and we're gonna put them on here, and this one on here. So both of them are gonna go on there. I think that's how they go. Yes, that's how that goes, and this one goes here. There you go. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, now we grab these little nuts. These little screws. They go on here.
Got that on there. And this one here. Anyway, why didn't this thing just come already preset? So, put this on here. Screw that down. There it is. That's one. Okay. Now, we mount the little sander. Oh, here's this. Okay, and then we have another one, the next one, just in case somebody might lose it. Oh, no, never mind, it's yours. Okay. Never mind, sorry. So this, I guess we gotta peel this off. Boom. And it's gonna go right on the edge, from what it looks like on the picture. And then we can do the same thing for the other one. Yeah, and it goes on here. Get the other screw.
Now screw that on there. Hopefully I don't strip this. That's fine. Alright, so I'm guessing this part is what we're gonna go through with this. So hopefully that works. Okay, so now to remove it, we find the little gap, which is right there. And I'm guessing that's where this comes in. And we gotta poke a hole right here to make it a little bit wider, I'm guessing. Hopefully you don't stab yourself. Guess that's how that goes. Ow. Man, it looks so easy on the picture. Okay, so now I pretty much opened it. And now I'm gonna open that up. Oh, actually, no, I already messed it up either way. So the tool came in handy. No, it didn't actually. I had to grab these needle noses and pull this out myself because it didn't work at all. There, came off. Now, you see that little O-ring? Okay, so now these come in, this is 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch. So I'm not gonna open these 1/4 inch till I actually need them. I don't think I'm ever gonna own a 1/4 inch, but no one knows. So let's open this up. Alrighty, so now I think now is when you use this tool. I'm not really sure when you have to use this tool because it doesn't show it, but looks like gotta take this O-ring off. Nope. I'm sorry guys, it's my first time doing this, and honestly I should have brought a pick from work because the pick would have came out much easier. So honestly, the O-ring doesn't look bad after the fact that I was the one that messed it up right now. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is that I'm getting it done. Right now, that's when you use the little sander. Yeah, you clean it, step number 2. If it fits, so. Wait. Now that I think about it, I think I should have only put one. Just gonna do that for now. Take off the old one and just use one. Yeah, guys, I think that's how you were supposed to do it in the first place. Hey, but I'm learning as much as you guys are learning with me. And if you hear people laughing in the background, it's not me. So, you know. It's the camera crew. Shout out to Rosa. She's a cameraman today. All right, that's that. Looks clean, just like you know what. Okay. All right, now, I guess these are the O-rings. They don't even look that perfect, but we're gonna put one on there. Okay, now this is the installation tool. Which one should I use? That's the question. They both look the same. Yes, they're both the same. I'm guessing just if you want to use one for one thing or the other. Who knows? Okay, so 1, install the ring. 2, okay, so now we get this ring, we set it right here. And then I think all you do is, that fool just wiggles it, so he wiggles it down and up so that I install the O-ring radius. Ready? Well, that was a huge fail. So I'm just gonna try it again. Hopefully this time I don't miss. This guy made it look easy, man. Okay, so to install, it says you push down and up. But it looks like I already messed up the little thing. So we're gonna try it again. You guys heard that snap? For sure wasn't it going in. You know what, guys? I think we gotta do this a few more times. Oh, there it is. Finally went on. After I messed up my thing, and this is all messed up now, but it's alright. Okay, so now put all these rings back, and now, okay, I don't think the O-ring was supposed to come off. Here, it's fine. Alrighty then, and there you go. Now you have the new one on there. Alright guys, so it took a little bit longer than expected, but we ended up doing it, so ended up on there. Now we're gonna do it, putting an extension. Now, at least the extension doesn't fall. Before, if I would put it with the other little ring, it would fall off. But now it's a little bit harder, but the more I push in and out on it, it's gonna get adjusted like how it was in the very beginning. But right now it's just working perfectly. Alrighty, so thanks for watching, and hopefully I get better at it and I'll make a future video about it.